In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable iMessage on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to turn this on through settings by going into the Messages app settings and enabling the iMessage toggle. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point, I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen and we need to find messages. So at this point, I'm scrolling through the list until I see messages. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see messages, so I'm tapping on messages. Now we're inside the messages settings page. On this screen, look for the iMessage option at the top and you'll see a toggle switch next to it. So at this point, I'm going to turn on iMessage by tapping the toggle so it switches on and looks active. Once it's on, that's your confirmation iMessage is enabled. There's no save button here, so the change applies immediately. At this point, you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and iMessage will now be turned on your iPhone.